From the home stretch for markets to the future of the African Growth and Opportunity Act, these are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. After a remarkable year for markets, traders are entering the last quarter with a semi-warning from Fed Chief Jerome Powell about high stock market valuations. World stocks are now up close to 17% in 2025, although gold and Chinese tech remain the biggest winners, both adding almost 40%. A series of key events are still to come before year-end. The Fed is expected to move again. China holds its plenum gathering of top party leaders, and US President Donald Trump and China's President Xi Jinping are expected to get together at some point. There are also IMF World Bank meetings and a UN climate summit to look forward to. US jobs data is due October 3rd. The numbers are one piece of key data ahead of the Fed meeting at the end of October. Expectations are high for another rate cut, but a hot jobs number could scuttle that, if the data is released at all. The US federal government could be heading for a partial shutdown, raising concerns the data will not be announced as scheduled. Early October could be pivotal for the path of Bank of Japan policy, with the Tankan survey of corporate sentiment out Wednesday. The closely watched economic indicator has garnered additional attention after a policy board member called September's edition extremely important in a speech last month. Markets are already pondering the odds of an October hike after September's hawkish pivot. A duty-free trade agreement between the United States and eligible African nations is set to lapse on Tuesday. The African Growth and Opportunity Act, or AGOA, offers more than 30 African economies a key market for their exports. Lobbying efforts have not elicited any formal commitments from U.S. officials, compounding the situation for a region that is already reeling from Trump's imposition of trade tariffs.